going to be talking about how to use Edmodo to turn in assignments and to reply to notes, and how to join a new group in case you have a teacher that wants you to add their class as one of the groups to your account. So, in order to get to Edmodo, you can go to your browser and you can delete that and click www.edmodo.com. This is their page. If you're on an iPad or a phone, the app looks just like this little person right here, except the white face has a blue background. Looks exactly like this, okay? And it is a free app. So if you are on the website, you would click here and you would type in your email or your username. So I'm going to type in the username I'm using, JakeT647. Then you would type in your password, and then you would click on login. This will bring you to your page. Here's the house highlighted, so this is your home page. Here's your name, you're a student. Right here are your groups. So your one class that you have right now is this testing group. And if you look on the right, here's your assignment center. So I have one assignment due August 21st. The name of that assignment is My Summer. And you know that it's not turned in yet. So I'm going to scroll down so you can see. So the teacher of the testing group, Mrs. Delgado, has given one note assignment, which is this one. Tell me one thing you learned in class. Here are some responses from some of my classmates. And then she's also posted this assignment called My Summer, which is due August 21st. Okay, so what's the difference between this assignment and this one? The difference is this is just a note. So you're not turning this one in, you're just replying to it. So all you have to do is say, tell me one thing you learned in class today. So you would go to the reply class, you would click on the box. When it's highlighted in blue, you would simply type in your reply. So in math class today, I learned that prime numbers only have two factors, one and itself. So I check it, make sure that I have a complete sentence, and then I simply click send. And you can see that now my reply is there. So now 3 people have replied, and I can see those replies right there. So Mara replied this is Molly, and this is me. Now, this is a note assignment where you simply just reply to an assignment. This assignment down here is an actual assignment that your teacher is going to give you a grade and wants you to turn in. So for this one, if it has a turn it in button, you do not want to click on the reply box and reply there. You want to actually click on the turn it in button so that you can submit your assignment once you're done with it. So when you click on that turn it in button, you're going to get to this page. Here's my assignment, my due date. It's telling me it's not turned in. Again, here's the name of it. This is what I'm supposed to do. So this assignment tells me that I have to tell 3 things about my summer and make sure that my response is at least 3 complete sentences. So I want to make sure that I do everything that the assignment asks me to do. So there's my name, Jake Thomas. It tells you that I have not turned in the assignment. This is my reply box. It's highlighted in blue. You can type directly into the box, or you can type your response on a Word document or a page document, then copy and paste it onto this box, or you can type directly. I'm going to go ahead and type directly. So I'm going to type my response now. This summer. So do you see how it's underlined in red? That's letting me know that I made a typing error or a spelling error. So I'm going to just go delete back, and I'm going to retype that. Okay, so I typed my assignment and I read it like what I have. So I'm going to click on the turn it in button. It's sending it. So now it tells me that I have submitted my assignment. I'm awaiting a grade. Shows me what I turned in. If I notice a mistake and I want to fix it, I just click the resubmit button and it will give me a new box where I can type my new response. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my home page so I can see what I've done. So now when I go to my new page, it tells me that it's been turned in, that I'm awaiting my grade. I can scroll down. There are still my responses to my note. And this is the one that I have already turned in. Now, when you have different teachers, you may have to join a second group. So let me show you quickly how to join a group. You go right down here where under your group section, go where it says join a group, click on that. Your teacher will give you the code. You simply type in the code in this box. So I'm going to type in a code. You click join. It'll tell you that you have successfully joined the class. So in this case, it's Fiorentino Social Studies. I'm going to exit out. And then you see that now in my groups, I have my original testing group class, and now I have my new group, which is a Fiorentino Social Studies group. If I click on it, I will go to the page for that class, and you see your teacher, you see the class name, and you see that there are no posts, or there's no assignments or any notes or anything like that. It tells you that there are 4 members in that class. Let's go back to home. There's one more thing I want to show you. On the bottom of your home page on the left, there is what we call a parent code. If your parents would like to have access to your Edmodo pages so they can help you out and they can see what you're doing, they can take this code right here and they can create a parent account, and that will give them access to your Edmodo groups and your pages. Okay, so that's all for now on how to use the Edmodo, how to turn an assignment, how to reply to a note, and how to join a group.